Hello my brothers and sisters, and welcome to another episode of TBL in my kitchen. And it is the holiday season, and today I am going to show you how to make some really easy fancy pastries. So let's jump into it. This recipe is super simple and it's something that you can just whip up when you're not going to a barbecue. It's Christmas. So dumb. Okay, stick with the program. This is a really easy recipe if you want to make a fancy pastry for a breakfast, or if you're going to a brunch, or just for the holidays, or you just feel like having a delicious pastry for breakfast. And this is super easy, you guys. This is gonna take me like 15 minutes. All you need is just some puff pastry, some berries, and some cream cheese, and that's it. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and let's get started. All right, let's get cooking. There's a surprise in the TBL kitchen. Are you ready? Yeah. This will be my handy dandy TBL apron. Nobody likes to get the clothes dirty. Oh, and look, it matches with my blue. Oh, look at me. Now I feel professional. Now I feel like I want to make some pastries. Look at this. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. I saw it and I ordered it, and nobody likes getting their clothes dirty when they're cooking. So TBL has new apron. Okay, let's make the pastries. You're gonna need 1 package of puff pastry. This is really easy because this is already pre-made, so all you have to do is just open it. This is my cream cheese with some sugar and vanilla that I have creamed, and it's already in a piping bag, well, a sandwich bag. We're gonna use this for the filling. A little bit of brown sugar. Sometimes the berries are a little tart, so if you like your pastries a little bit sweeter, you can always sprinkle a little extra sugar. And our beautiful berries. What I have here is just some raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. And you can use any fruit that you like. This is very versatile. I actually have some new mangoes that I bought, and I might try another time with some mangoes and see how that comes out. You're gonna need an egg so you can brush your pastries, and that's it. Okay, since TBL only has 1 camera, I have to move it down so you can see what I'm doing with the pastry. Let's move down to my level. Let me make my coffee. I'll be right back. I love this TBL apron. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Get down to the level of the pastry. What's up, pastry? Okay, we're gonna use 1 package, and this package has 2 sheets. Okay, got it. Now y'all go get some flour so y'all can dust the surface. I'll wait. Go get it. Alright, we're just gonna open it. Let's dust. See, there's 2 sheets. We're gonna set that one aside. And this is what you're gonna do. It just unfolds. Now I'm just gonna flatten it a little bit. You don't have to, but you can. There we go. That's why I floured my surface. There we go. Just brush off the excess flour. Super easy trick. Use a pizza cutter. And let me get the camera so I can show you these lines. See these lines right here? That's what we're gonna cut right here and go across. Okay. And we're gonna cut. I'm gonna show you. Okay. So I'm just gonna pipe some of the cream cheese onto the middle and fold it once over. See, super easy. And we'll do 4 of those. Another easier way, get your square, flip it into half, and we're gonna cut right here. Now we're gonna use the raspberries. Same cut. There's the first batch. You don't have to. You can always sprinkle some brown sugar if you think that your berries will be a little tart. Let's do the egg wash first though. The egg white makes it glisten. And let's put these in a 400 degree oven. Now we'll wait for about 15 minutes. Okay, it has been about 15 minutes and I think our pastries are ready. I went ahead and finished up the rest down here that I'm gonna put in the oven. Let me show you what they look like. Oh my god, these are gonna be delicious. Right? Look at these, you guys. And they smell heavenly. We're gonna let them cool off for just a minute and then we're going to dust them with powdered sugar and I'm gonna put the rest in the oven. Alright friends, that was it. It was super easy. Now I'm going to sit down and enjoy my Christmas house and some of these pastries. They look amazing. I don't even know which one is my favorite. I mean, I love the strawberry, but the blueberry is also to die for. It is super delicious. The pastry, it is flaky on the bottom. The fruit is on point. The little bit of sugar that I sprinkle on the top gives it that little bit of extra sweetness, and it's just absolutely delicious. I love the strawberry. Which one was your favorite? Do you like the blueberry, or would you do other flavors? There are other flavors that you can play with. It is limitless. You can do pineapple, you could do mango, you could do Nutella with walnuts, you could do peanut butter, you could do chocolate, you name it. Let me know which one of these was your favorite in the comments below, and also if you decide to make this recipe, let me know in the comments below and tag me on Instagram with the hashtag TBL in my kitchen, and I might use your creation for a future video. Thank you for hanging out with me again, and we will see you next time to make something delicious. This ring light is blinding me.